Hey, what's up? Today's video I'm going to show you to export video in high quality from Adobe After Effects. Once your video is complete and you're ready to export, we'll go up to the Composition tab on the top bar and we'll scroll down to Add to Render Queue. You could also press the shortcut key Ctrl+M. Now the Render Queue tab should open up on the bottom bar. And we're presented with all of these different settings. So we'll go into Render Settings. We'll press Best Settings. We want to make sure that the quality is kept to best, the resolution is set to full, and then everything else in this menu doesn't necessarily matter for now, so we'll press OK. You want to press the text that says lossless. And here we can change the format to QuickTime to a PNG JPG sequence. So in my example I'm going to keep this to QuickTime because that is a H264 file. Or you can change the channels, the depth and the color of the video output. You can resize the video to a smaller or a larger frame size. Or you could crop your video if you liked. But we're just going to keep it to the current settings. We'll press OK. We'll go down to the Output to menu. So we'll press here and we'll choose a destination path for this video. So I'm going to place this on my PC. Save that. Now we have to do export this video from After Effects is press the big render button on the right. That's it, you just exported your finished video.